It is what it is. Slowly, carefully, meticulously take out the twist. Start at the bottom, obviously. Take your time to minimize frizz. Do you see that frizz already right there? That's okay. You just want to separate it where it like naturally is already separating. You don't want to distort it too much. Quarantine date night, quarantine date night. Don't worry about it. I'm just kidding. Okay. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and I am back with another video. So today we are doing a twist out. So let me explain. Wait, before I explain, if you're into natural hair or a little bit of beauty, just a little bit of beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. But back to the scheduled program. So today we're doing a twist out. Normally I come on here and I have like, my hair is not done. And then I do my hair. And then at the end you can see what the results look like. Today I'm coming on, my hair is done. Right? As you can see, my hair is done. So I lost the footage. I can't find, aka probably deleted the footage of the beginning of my twist out video. But I have all the rest of the footage. So I was like, why would I waste all this good footage and not put out the video, right? And so we are still going to put out the video. This is a twist out using Afro Sheen. The new and improved Afro Sheen. So I've already done one video on Afro Sheen. I did a wash and go with two of their stylers. I used their texture setting cream gel and their crown defining curl cream. Put one on top of another. It'll be in the description and in the cards up here. And one of my subscribers was like, hey, both of those are stylers. Can we get a side-by-side or like a review of one of each one? I was like, actually, that's a really great idea. So I decided to do a twist out with the curl cream. And this one specifically says it is good for twist outs. It says perfect for twist outs, braid outs, finger coils, rod sets, and wash and goes. So I did a twist out on this. So these are the results after, I think 6 days, 5 or 6 days. These are the results. It still looks really good. I really like it when it gets like this, when it's frizzy and big and the roots are not defined. That's the way that I personally like my twist outs. I mean, I can't speak for everybody. I can just speak for me. But this video will be of me twisting my hair using this cream. So this is what the cream looks like. It's super white. It has a pretty thick consistency. It's not super thick, it's not like a deep conditioner or something, but it's pretty thick and it smells really good. Actually, I really like the smell. It's not like a strong chemical-y scent or a super fake scent. I started out on freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. If you want a twist out that is defined, you want to make sure your hair is moisturized and detangled. So I detangled my hair and I did deep conditioning. So my hair was perfect for a twist out. And then all I did was apply my leave-in conditioner, which I applied the leave-in conditioner, which I used Thirsty Curls, and then I applied this curl cream on top of that and twisted my hair. So I'm going to now show you the footage. We're gonna put on some music, vibe out to me twisting out my hair, and then you will see the end results. I'm done twisting my hair. It only took me about 20 minutes or so. I think that the product is not mixing well though with the leave-in that I chose, but we'll find out. Either way, I'm pretty sure all of this will go away and my twist out will be fine tomorrow. But these are the results of the twist out, my wet twist out, my wet twist. I really like this. The first time I used it, I thought it was cool, whatever. But this actually really helped with my twists. Like, it feels like it actually worked its way into my hair, and not only worked its way into my hair, but at the same time, like, was helping to eliminate frizz. Like, it was easy. It was easy while I was twisting it to like lay down my hair. And yeah, so I think that's gonna help a lot to eliminate frizz, but we'll find out. So I will be back tomorrow to show you the final results. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm back and these are the twists. This is what we looking like today. They look good. They look good. So I'm just gonna take them out. I'm gonna speed this part up because obviously it's the same thing that we do every time. Taking out your twist. It's not that difficult. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna unravel my twist. I am gonna use a little bit of oil. So a little bit of my DIY oil here. Just gonna put a little bit on that on my hands. Rub it on these twists. And then I'm just going to slowly, carefully, meticulously take out the twists. So I'm going to speed this part up. Start at the bottom, obviously. Take your time to minimize frizz. So you just want to separate it where it naturally occurs. But do you see that frizz already right there? But that's okay. So you just want to separate it where it like naturally is already separating. You don't want to disturb it too much right now, at least. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep separating this. I will put on some music, vibe out, and I'll be right back. Final look. I was originally going to do a bun, but I really like it. The shrinkage is on 10, okay? The shrinkage is on 10, but I really like it. My hair feels so soft. The smell is really good. Smells good. My hair feels soft. There is shrinkage, but that's great because my hair is healthy. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I absolutely love it. There's minimal frizz like I thought that there would be. So I'm just in general so happy with the way this twist out turned out. Like, Afro Sheen coming through for your girl. Afro Sheen coming through for your girl. This is, I love it. And I haven't done a twist out like this in so long, but I am now reminded why I love me a good twist out. Ooh, ooh, when your twist out come out perfect, 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 when your twist out come out perfect. Pictures, 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 pictures. It don't count if you didn't get no pictures. It don't count if you didn't get no pictures. You ain't gotta post them, but you gotta take them. You gotta take them, okay? Let's go over the product. Okay, so this is the Crown Defining Curl Cream. It defines and hydrates. There's no sulfates, mineral oil, has flaxseed oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. It is a stark white color, but as you can see, it definitely, I'm normally heavy-handed. I don't feel like I was very heavy-handed this time, which is great. But as you can see, it melted into my hair. It went away, and my hair looks so good, and it feels really good. This was easy to use. I didn't have to use a lot of it. My hair is defined clearly and moisturized. So I would definitely recommend getting this product. I got it off of Amazon and it was super cheap, so you should definitely buy this. I do have a full review of this cream and the gel combined for a wash and go, and that'll be linked in the description below. But comment down below, let me know if you like this twist out. Afro Sheen. You like my fit too? I'm looking cute today. Quarantine date night, quarantine date night, Quarantine date night, quarantine date night, Don't worry about it. I'm just kidding. Okay, but thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.